Why you should take this module. Do you know where serial numbers come from? Do you know how serial numbers are generated? Do you know how they become attached to unique products? If you work in packaging, automation, or associated departments such as IT and logistics, you will need to know the answers to questions like these. Generating and assigning serial numbers are among the first steps in the serialization process. It is essential that personnel responsible for these activities are knowledgeable about where the numbers come from, how many are produced, in what order, and where they are stored. This module describes how serial numbers are generated, stored, and assigned to medicinal products. This module looks at the serialization process from the point of view of serial numbers and their journey through various different levels until they are attached to their unique products and the product is ready to ship. Although the serial number is generated in a unique location, the point of generation, its final destination could be in another facility, warehouse, distributor, wholesaler, pharmacy, or dispensary. The scenario: off-site. Off-site, the various packaging formats may be put into different configurations. For example, cases may be removed from one pallet and added to another pallet. We call this disaggregation and reaggregation. As the product is then moved between different locations, its whereabouts can be tracked using the serial number, and the scanned data can be transmitted to a remote database or repository. Each time there is a commercial transaction or a transportation event, the serial numbers must be updated in the enterprise storage repository. In the United States, this level of traceability is a legal requirement governed by the Drug Supply Chain Security Act, or DSCSA. From this comes the term track and trace. Let's begin our exploration by describing the four-level serialization corporate system.